everyone, Moisa here, back with another video, and today, as you can see, I'm standing, meaning we're doing a clothing haul, and I'm writing the first piece. So, don't mind the background. My room is messy, my space is messy, it's the holidays, give me a break. Look at my beautiful new purse, but don't look at anything else, thank you. So to begin, I have on this top. This top is a size smaller than I normally wear. I think this is like a medium or something. And this is a top from Ross. It is $20 and it's Guess. I can't tell if you guys can read it just because it's very small on just like the zipper part of the shirt, but I really enjoyed this shirt and I didn't think I fit it originally. And then I was like, let me just try it on again. And I was able to close it and it's very comfortable. It's not super tight. My main concern was the arms, but the arms are actually really comfortable. I'm surprised. I thought it'd be like squishing me to death, but it's not. And it's currently my favorite length of sleeves, which is super long. I think this is really cute. It could be like very classed up, which I like, or very classed down. I would wear this with shapewear just because you can see everything. But other than that, I really like this top and I'm keeping it. So yeah, this is the first top. I also have on these new pants, which you can't see because I cannot go any further back and they're long so you won't see them, but here's like a as far as I can go, and this is what they look like. They're flared. This is my first ever flared pants. This is my first time not wearing skinny jeans. So these are very different for me. I enjoy them. I'll have a picture up on screen obviously. I enjoy them, but it's very different and I don't know how comfortable I am yet kind of leaving the skinny jean realm. So I may next year try doing like a video trying different types of pants because I do want to experiment and I want to try on mom jeans. I don't want to try flares, but I'll try flares and I'll try straight legs. So that's gonna be a video next year where I try new jeans, hopefully a brand that I can return the jeans from if I hate them, because I'll be stepping out of my comfort zone for y'all. But yeah, this is the first top and pants. I really enjoy both pieces. I am keeping both. But let's get into the next tops because we only have tops. And this is the next one. So let me just unravel it for y'all so you can see the vibes. And yeah, so this is the next top. So this one I like. It is a crop top, so obviously raising my hands. Any higher my bra will show, so we're not doing that on camera. Oh, the belt is part of the jeans. Super cute, right? But anyway, I love this top. It's very comfortable. I got this in 2 colors. The second color we'll try on next, but it's just very comfortable, very easy to wear in my opinion. Here's it from the back. I forgot to show you the first shirt from the back, but it basically just goes like here in the first shirt, so nothing very crazy, no new design. But this one is very cute, very comfortable. It was $15 from JCPenny. They have like 6 different colors, so if green isn't your color, maybe you'll find one. For example, I wore this as well the other night, and this is the yellow one, also from JCPenny. So let's just get into this one. Alright, yeah, so this one is on. The camera's shaking because I pushed my tripod, so give it a moment to breathe. But yeah, this is the next one. So this is the same top but without the stripes and in a mustard color. Mustard has become strangely one of the colors I look really good in. I feel like I look like Winnie the Pooh. Like this could be definitely like an elevated Winnie the Pooh dress up kind of cosplay if you're going to Disney or something. I wouldn't personally wear these pants to Disney just because I feel like they're too nice for Disney. Like this top in Disney weather right now, because Disney is probably cold as Florida is currently like 48 degrees, this would work. But this is the top in the front. It has the same situation when you lift up your arm, so I'm just not going to do it. I don't need to expose myself on the internet, thank you. And then this is it via the back. Basic. Nothing super special. I think it's cute though. I like this top. It's something I'll wear, especially because I'm going back to like negative degrees in New York. I need clothes that won't kill me. Alright, I cannot find the bag, but I'll just show it in a picture or something later. It's fine. It's not because I bought it and I need it. But this is the next top. It's another turtleneck. It's all matchy with this pants, so you don't know where it ends. But wow, it's like almost the exact same red. Wow, it ends right here, as you can tell. Almost the exact same red as my pants. I would never wear these together, obviously, but this is definitely just like a layering shirt for me. It's just a mock neck, very simple. It's one color. I don't know how to layer this. I might need to get some like white turtlenecks or black turtlenecks. I had to play around with it because my mom's like, how are you gonna style a red turtleneck? But let's get into the last 3 pieces right now. So this is a lot together, but I just wanted to try layering, see if layering this mock neck works. This is this next top. I would not wear these pieces together. I feel like a Teletubby. I feel like I'm wearing like a unitard, like a one-piece jumpsuit and this over it. My mom thinks it's cute. I say absolutely not together. Never place these pieces together. Like, it's just not. It's also a very long sweater vest top for me. I usually get cropped ones, so I may end up having to self-crop it like this to wear it, because I think that's just more of my style. I'm short, so I like short tops to make my short frame not look as small, which some people don't understand. But yeah, I'm gonna take this undertop off and show you guys what it looks like now. And yeah, this is what it looks like without the undershirt. I just like it better. I feel like I need to wear this with like a white undershirt because there's white accents and I think it'll look significantly better. I don't know, I've never styled like a very we're gonna ignore that. I've never styled a very like plain sweater vest type shirt, sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it, so it's a little bit different. It feels more like a muscle tee. But yeah, so this is what it looks like when I do my moisa, just like roll, tuck thing. It looks so much better, right? And then if I roll it to normal length, it makes me feel not cute. Like it changes the whole style. So I would always recommend, if you're short and you have a short torso like me, just tuck it in right at where your hips kind of divot inwards. I'm not a fashion blogger, but I think it just helps accentuate your hips, as well as it gives your body more of a form than letting the shirt just like encapsulate your entire body. But yeah, let's get into these last 2 pieces. One is a dress and one is a top. I'm gonna try on the dress before the top because I don't like this dress. I tried it on once and I hated it. Maybe trying it on camera will make a new appreciation of the dress. Oh, wow. It's horrid. I look like a huge baby in a weird way. Like, I don't know, it makes me look bigger. That's like the first piece I'm seeing when I wear this dress. Secondly, like, it fits so unflattering because like it cuts here at the breast part, but my breasts end like here, and if I pull it down, my entire like cups are out from my bra, and it only doesn't look bad because I have a very strong ring light. So like pulling it down to go under my boobs just exposes like everything. I like this cupping more. Like, I like the way my bra top looks more than I like the way this dress top looks, because the dress top looks like this and my bra top has like some scallops, so I feel like that's better. But I'm not here to redesign this dress, okay? We're not redesigning this dress. First, it ends too high. That's the first bit. And if it ended lower, it would just show my entire bra. So like, that's mistake number 1. Also here, the gathering is so odd, and I think it's because of my body shape. Or no, like look, this is like the second layer of it. It's not my body shape. It's like some sort of attachment on the side for the fabric and the underskirt that's making it look like that. And then I look like a box. I have no shape. I have no size. It's truly, truly horrible. I don't know, with a belt here, it could cinch in a little bit more and it looked cuter at the bottom, but it still has the issue with the top where I'd have to like pull it down, put on a belt to like hold everything here, and it would give me some shape, but then it also reveals my bra. It's just a lot of issues. And then the bottom, I'm just gonna pull it up. It has like this little piece that like flares. Yeah, it looks more like a nightie than a dress. Like, I just hate this. I just hate this with a passion. It's not for me. If this is for you, fair. But for me, I'm gonna pass on this. Let me know your thoughts of this dress down below. Like, I really don't like it, but if someone likes it, let me know why. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, let's get into this last top. And because it's the last one and it's the same color as the dress, why not just spin into it? That was the worst spin I've ever done in my life, but that's fine. This is this next top. This is a baby doll, right? And this is like fully extended. Fully extended iffy. Don't know if I hate it, don't know if I like it, right? But when I do my little tweaks where I just pull this up and I let like the poof and right under my bust, I think that's really cute. And then the ruching is at the slimmest part of my waist, and then this bottom, it's not very ruched. It's, I don't know how to call this. I'm not a fashion designer here. I'm so sorry. I'm not a fashion girly. I would pull it up as well. Let's turn down the ring light so you can see this one because it's very hard to read. Ooh. Okay, this might be a little bit easier to read now. Yeah, so there is this part right here. So in the shirt's straight. It doesn't look bad. It looks like, honestly, if this were a crop top, it ended like here, and it would be actually such a vibe. I kind of want to cut this top now. Let me know. Do you guys like it like this? Because I might actually cut the top because it's really cute this way. But basically fully pulled down, I would cut the crop top here. But fully pulled down, I feel like it's decent. It's making me aged a little bit. So pulling it up like this and having this around the breasts and then the gathering around the smallest part of my waist, it just helps me personally like this top more. But it's not like the best solution to this problem. So there's three ways. There's this way, okay, decent, whatever. I feel older in it, but it works. Then there's this way, which I really like. I think this is very cute, could be very trendy. And then there's the Moisa way of just wearing a crop top. So this is the crop version. But yeah, so those are the three ways I might wear it. So I might not even have to cut it. I might just have to make sure I style it right. And I can kind of use this shirt in three different ways instead of just cutting it, because I feel like there's different vibes for different days. But let me know down below what you guys think of all these tops. I'm definitely keeping everything I tried on except that white dress. I just hate the white dress so much. No offense. But I like everything else. This one is the iffy piece as well as the blue sweatshirt because I'm not sure what undershirt to style it with just yet. But anyway, if you guys like today's really short video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Moisa and editing might pop in to show you the purse if I find it while editing. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.